I only got 1 day of orientation, guys. Only 1 day. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another day in the life of a nurse. Before I start talking about nursing, I just want to tell y'all how easy this was to put on this morning. Thank you, Myfirstwig, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want convenience in the morning, this is the wig for you. Let me show you guys how unmovable this is. This wig is not coming off, okay? And it's glueless, okay? But it's not coming off because of all of the amazing modifications Myfirstwig has made to this wig. I'm going to show you guys the initial install. I received my first wig in this lovely package. It came with all the contents I'm showing you guys. The hair stand, the head wrap, the silky head wrap that I love using, 2 hair clips, and a rat tail comb. And the hair came protected in this lovely packaging. I received 20 inches of 100% Indian Remy hair with 160% density. This hair is super secure because it has 3 securement sites, the 3 combs, the 2 adjustment straps in the back, and then this 3rd one that I adjusted as well. Shout out to Myfirstwig for sending me this. I've worked with them in the past, and with my headband wig, I'm gonna put that video up here for you guys. Literally, I love them for the convenience. It is so easy, so easy. This time around, I opted to get something more, you know, more sexy, you know, a little bit more sexy for the hair. I'm quickly going to install this wig. I'm gonna come back and tell you guys all about it. This is a 13x4 frontal lace wig. As you guys can see from the hairline, it is perfect. I did not have to do anything to it. It came pre-plucked, which was super convenient. I got the hair in 20 inches, and this is the natural hair color, and the texture is silky. It is 100% Indian Remy hair with 160% density. This hair is super convenient. Like I said, I did absolutely nothing to the hairline. It came pre-plucked, and it was literally perfect. All I had to do was just gently tint the lace. I used my makeup, and I kind of just used my natural makeup color to allow the lace to blend a little better with my skin. And that was it, guys. I love the fact that I don't have to glue this hair down and feel as if the hair is secure. It already feels secure with all the adjustment straps. So I absolutely love this hair for the convenience. And once again, I wanted something a little bit more sexy and grown, and this hair does it for me. This hair feels so soft, and it has minimal shedding, guys. I know that's another concern with these wigs. This hair barely sheds, and it just feels so soft. All the details associated with this hair will be linked directly in the box below, guys. So definitely check it out. I love this hair for the look, for the convenience. So check out the link in my description box below. Once again, thank you, Myfirstwig, for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. Who says you can't look good and sexy while going to work? Okay, period. Yes, guys, let's head into work. Before I head out though, I'm going to quickly make my bed and then pack and show you guys what I carry in my work bag. So let's go. right, y'all, so I'm here. I'm about to walk into the nursing admin department because that's where we clock in as travelers. We don't use like the Chronos. We have like a timesheet and people actually have to sign us in. I guess that holds us accountable for showing up. I'm not sure, but I'm about to go into that office right now. All right, so I got my time card signed. I'm about to head upstairs to the ICU. We usually have huddle at like 7:30. So time right now is like 7:25. I don't want to be late, so I'm about to head upstairs. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I just can't wait to make more of these like travel nursing videos for y'all. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.